Lipton's got the numbers. Josh.
Wilf, Apple reporting earnings per share here of $2.18 versus expectations of $2.10. Revenue $53.8 billion. The street was at $53.4 billion. Gross margins coming in at 37.6%. Turning to the guidance, Wilf, Q4 guidance. Apple is giving guidance here of 61 to 64 billion. Analysts had modeled 61 billion, and for margins of 37.5 to 38.5%. Turning to the segments, iPhone revenue, $26 billion. That's basically in line with expectations. That's down about 12%. Remember, in Q2, revenue was down about 17%. iPad revenue, $5 billion. Services revenue, $11.5 billion. That's up 13%, though Apple will emphasize that a year ago they did have that one-time litigation settlement. So if you normalize for that, it's up 15% from the comparable figure a year ago. Services margins this quarter, 64.1%. Wearables, home, and accessories, $5.5 billion. Wearables within that up over 50%. Mac revenue, $5.82 billion. And finally, turning to China, Greater China revenue, $9.2 billion in the quarter. That's down about 4% year over year. Remember, in Q2, Greater China revenue was down more than 20% quarter over quarter. Guys, year over year. Guys, back to you.
All right, Josh, thank you. Let's get back to our panel of experts for some immediate reaction. Mike Santoli, let's just go straight to you. Nice pop after hours. Earnings per share beat. It looks like all the below the revenue items were pretty much in line.
Pretty much in line. I think the guidance is a little bit better than the forecast for top line. So that's probably where you're getting that margin of outperformance for the stock right in the after hours. So I do think, I think you can back away and say this is now half an iPhone company. Right, half of revenues, slightly less than that, were iPhone. So I think that's the kind of mix that you want to look at going ahead.